Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful triangle shawl. I think you know this stitch. This is most stitch. Every channel, everywhere you can find this stitch. I want to share with you with a shawl. I want to make this stitch on a shawl. I hope you like it. I like it very much. It's so comfortable, so warm and so cozy, so soft. But a little tip here, you can choose which yarn you want, but you can choose your hook two number bigger hook which proper to your yarn. Okay, for example, this yarn is Trend Cake, Madame Tricot Paris, and they recommend us using 2 or 3 millimeter hook. I use here 6.5 millimeter hook, not 2 number. More bigger hook I use. Okay, you will use it like that. I use this quality of yarn and my color number is 624. This is light category, size is 3, and one ball is 200 grams and it's equal to 361 yards. This is okay for cowl, but if you want to make it a big triangle shawl, you need 2 balls of yarns. Okay, and use more big hook, and I use here 6.5 millimeter hook. Look at that. This color transaction is so beautiful, and it's so gorgeous. It's reversible, and this loop effect, this stitch is beautiful. So simple, only one row repeating. I will show you. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. I want to put this written pattern on my Etsy shop as soon as possible, maybe today or tomorrow, and I will share it for the community. Hope you will like it. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot again. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our triangle shawl with moss stitch. Let's start to crochet. I will show you again same quality of yarn and 6.5 millimeter hook. I want to make you more closer. Now, first of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Then turn back to the first chain and join 2 sides together with slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert your hook that hole. Grab your yarn. You have 2 loops. Pull through together and make single crochet here. Then chain 1. Insert that hole again and make single crochet. Then chain 2. This is your center. Insert that hole. Make single crochet. Then chain 1, insert your hook into the same hole, make single crochet. Chain 1, your last corner, yarn over, insert that hole, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is your first row. After that we will do the same thing always. 1, 2, 3 chain and turn your work. Find this chain 1 space, insert your hook, grab your yarn and make single crochet. Chain 1 and find the chain 1 space here. This is stitch loop, not insert between of them. Insert your hook, chain 1 space and make single crochet. Chain 1, come to find this chain 2 space, make single crochet. chain 2, make your center, insert into the same space, same chain 2 space, and make single crochet. Chain 1, find the chain 1 space of previous row. This is my loops, not, this is stitch, okay, not insert that stitch, insert that chain 1 space. That's the important point, this stitch. Chain 1, come to this last corner, make single, and finish your row with chain 1, yarn over, insert into the same corner, and make here double crochet. Always repeat this row 2. Again do the same thing, 1, 2, 3 chains, and turn your work. Insert your hook, this chain 1 space, make single crochet. Chain 1, find the chain 1 space and make single crochet. Chain 1, again find the chain 1 space, not this stitch, not insert your hook in the stitch, you will insert your hook this chain 1 space, make single crochet. Chain 1, not this stitch, come to space, this is your chain 2 space center, make single crochet. Then chain 2, insert into the same chain 2 space and make your center again. This is increasing point, okay, first corner, center, and the second corner. Chain 1, not in the stitch, in chain 1 space, make single. Chain 1, not in the stitch, in chain 1 space, make single. Chain 1, not in this stitch, in chain 1 space, make single. You come to last corner, chain 1, yarn over, insert into the same space and make here double crochet. Finish your row. That's it. I will show you one more time. Look at that loops. If you insert that loops previous rows, not get this looking. Okay, always work with chain 1 space. You will turn always chain 3, turn your work, and work with chain 1 space, make here single. Chain 1, leave this stitch, insert the chain 1 space, make single. Chain 1, come to next chain 1 space, make single. Chain 1, come to next chain 1, make single. Chain 1, come to center, make single. When you come to center, if you get confused, you can use here a marker. Chain 2, in the same chain 2 space, make single crochet. Then turn as same as chain 1, insert chain 1 space, single crochet. Chain 1, insert chain 1 space, make single. Chain 1, insert that chain 1 space, make single. Chain 1, come to last space. Look at that, this is a stitch, not insert here. Insert this space, make single. This is my last corner. Chain 1, yarn over, finish with double crochet. That's it. So simple. You will grow and grow it up like that, and you get this beautiful looking. I hope you like it and you will try that. If my video comes so speedy, you can see these 3 dots on the right of the screen. Please click them and slow me down. Thanks a lot. Again, you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. I hope you will use this moss stitch your every project. Nice to see you again in new video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.